And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Temperatures were in the 80s and 70s in the Midwest, but it was even cooler up towards the borderlands, where high temperatures today were only about 70 degrees in Marquette and International Falls, as this jet stream has been positioning itself to warmer weather to our south and cooler weather up to our north. And the CPC, the Climate Prediction Center outlook, does show a ridge starting to build across the northern plains, and then we'll see that jet stream kind of dive southward, and we'll be part of that jet stream positioning, which will increase the chance of some showers and storms across parts of the area over the coming days. Today, it was a beautiful day. We had some sunshine to kick it off, but later in the afternoon, some cloud cover did start to move in here, and we did have a few showers and storms work their way into our area. Area of low pressure is right now over in southern Canada. We've got that cold front that's moving down to the south, and what we have also is a trough of low pressure that sparked off a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. All of this activity moving farther to our south and southeast, and most of that activity is going to be missing vast majority of the area. If you're north of Highway 10, you really haven't seen any rainfall. More active weather off towards the east coast, where we have been seeing showers and thunderstorms which have been on the severe side. There is a slight risk for severe weather across the east coast, and also across the central and northern plains, another slight risk of severe weather. Just looking at some of the reports, not a whole lot of activity and reports off towards the north. There has been some wind gusts and some hail, but off to the east coast, we've been seeing a lot more wind damage reports. You can see all these little greenish icons representing some wind damage being reported into the National Weather Service offices. So for the time being, we'll see this precipitation band move farther down to the southeast, and skies will be clearing on the back side of that. Skycast does show us turning mostly clear overnight tonight, but could even have a little bit of some patchy, dense fog for areas that do see that rainfall this evening, which is pretty much along and south of Highway 10. That fog erodes tomorrow, and then by the afternoon might have a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, otherwise remaining mostly clear to partly cloudy. And then on Monday, we'll have another chance of some showers and storms. Here we are in the morning hours, maybe a few rain showers or storms in the far northwoods, but then later on in the afternoon and evening, there's expected to be a line of thunderstorms that move in here. Some of the models holding it until late Monday night. Other models are showing it moving in here earlier in the afternoon and early evening. So that would bring in some heavy downpours, and also with it a marginal risk for severe weather that extends across vast majority of Wisconsin. Some hail and gusty winds will be possible. Rainfall totals, not a whole lot, but we could be picking up around a quarter to a half inch of rain out of the system. Tomorrow's forecast will be climbing up into the lower 80s with mostly sunny skies. So for tonight, we'll drop down into the mid 50s northeast winds with an isolated chance of some storms. Tomorrow getting up to 83, mostly sunny, and isolated shower or storm is possible. And then heading into the next 7 days, chance of more storms on Monday, 81 Tuesday. Dry weather though, mainly Wednesday through Saturday with high temperatures around 80 degrees.